are facing unprecedented challenges, from embracing new technologies to addressing uncertainties in the supply chain and coping with environmental changes. All indications suggest that we should accelerate change. Change is never easy, just as it has been since 1954, when we transformed from a manufacturing enterprise into a pioneer in smart manufacturing and green technology. Every transformation is a refinement as we continually pursue excellence in technology. Here, engineering is not merely the combination of materials, tools, and calculations. It questions the existing and envisions the yet unseen. It fights for progress, transforms knowledge into value, and materializes through precise calculations. We blend traditional craftsmanship with modern technology, relentlessly innovating while ensuring top-notch product quality. We continue to advance towards a new paradigm of smart manufacturing, built upon technological innovation and sustainable development. Our smart machines leverage advanced automation and data analysis to a greater extent, elevating manufacturing precision and efficiency. We are leading the future trends of smart manufacturing. Here, we continuously explore new manufacturing methods, seamlessly combining intelligence with efficiency. We are never satisfied with the status quo. We challenge the unknown, turning ordinary tools into precision instruments, transforming complex processes into operational equipment. Let YCM be your globally trustworthy partner. We are committed to the practice of environmental and social responsibility. By the year 2050, we aim to achieve net zero emissions goals and transition to sustainable smart manufacturing. In our journey of strength, with 70 years of experience, we continuously overcome challenges together with partners, creating a sustainable future. Make it better, together.